Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hey guys.
How are you guys doing? We are about leaving the house now. Keep it spiriting.
Okay.
We are about leaving the house to go today. Today in Germany we have holiday, so the kids are at home. My son is here. Say hi to the camera. My son is at home. Say hi guys, subscribe.
Hi guys. Subscribe to our channel.
Share. So I'm taking my son to the barber salon to go and cut his hair. Then I'm going to shop also to go because we are looking for kitchen. Okay, so want to go and see if we can get a good and nice kitchen to buy. So from there, can we go to IKEA? Do you know IKEA? Or you can Google it.
Yeah, I know IKEA.
You can teach me the way there.
I don't know the way, but it's somewhere in Hamburg.
Yeah, it's somewhere in Hamburg. I wanted to go and check their kitchen there. Or we go there first.
Or we can go to Poco.
Poco, I know Poco, but I have not been to IKEA. Bring my phone and Google it. Take that phone. So we have to Google it and check the kitchen they have. Take my bag now. You take that phone and Google the address. We'll go there before I go and drop you in barber salon. So today is going to be a busy day for us. So we are just leaving the house now. Cover the back. Zip it back. So we're about to leave the house. I just say let me start the intro before I start driving. So we are just going to so many places today. We are looking for new kitchen. We are looking for, it's not easy. Because this is my kitchen. I have it for like more than 10 years now because the house I stayed before is when I bought it new. So when I moved to this new house, we still fix it again, but it's not like when you just bought it. So I'm really tired of this kitchen. So we are going to check like 2 places where we can get kitchen. We already found somebody to fix it. We supposed to bought kitchen last year, but we did not find. My eyelashes is doing as if you want to go out. Oh yeah, Google it now, the address, so that you put it, so that we just drive there and see the kitchen they have. From there, then so today we are going to go to so many places, guys. So my lovely fans, my followers, my subscribers, please, if it's your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Omogiade Family channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys.
Start.
Yeah, start. How many minutes from here?
10 minutes. I said.
10 minutes. It's not even far. So my son, we want to start driving now.
In Worten von Verteidigungsministerin Lambrecht bereits auf dem Weg.
The weather is very good. I should have the music so that you'll be listening to it.
Yes.
So my lovely people, I'm about to start driving now. So we are going. I go straight or
Straight.
Head north on Apostelstrasse towards Zwinglistrasse.
you see. So the what they call it
In
is.
150 meters, turn right onto Amscherhuttenstrasse.
So it's the one directing us now.
You're going with the same.
Yes, I'm hearing it. But if I don't listen, you have to concentrate. You tell me where to
Take
park.
the next right onto Amscherhuttenstrasse.
Take the next straight.
Right.
Right, okay. So I have to take the next right. So I'm going with the
In 200 meters, turn left at Friedrich-Ebert-Strasse.
navigator Friedrich-Ebert-Strasse. So we are just going now. So I need to
Turn left at Friedrich-Ebert-Strasse.
done, eh?
No, not there. Not there.
By the traffic
Yes.
lights.
Yes.
I know now. So we are going now. We are going now. There is a traffic. There's a traffic. But we move. There is a traffic.
The shop is not even closed.
The shop is not closed.
I saw
200
people
meters,
walking
turn right onto Laurerstrasse.
I saw people going to RT.
Are you sure? Everywhere is open now, apart from school. You guys have
Turn right onto Laurerstrasse.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I have to pass it. I was thinking it's front.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have to
Continue
turn
for
on.
2 kilometers.
Normally you can see pass through the other place there.
Yeah, this is the fastest way they say.
Okay, because it's 10 minutes. It's very close to our house. And I'm sorry guys, the video is shaking.
Because
So we want to carry you guys along to show you guys where we are going.
this is the way where mommy
I will use my glass. So I will be using my glass. So give me my glass, Cassie. Hold it. Wait 1 minute, okay? I will be needing my glass because this summer you need your glass. So I will be needing my sunglasses because if not the sun will just get into your eye, everything will just be dark. Are you sure here is the quicker place?
Which is what they're showing here.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. We are going to so many places today. Since my kids are on holiday, 2 days. They are on holidays. Okay. Which holiday is this holiday? Do you know, Casey?
Carnival.
Carnival holiday.
Weekend tag, I don't know.
Okay, are you sure the shops are opened? The way everywhere is so quiet.
It's 10 o'clock.
but everybody is driving cars, so that means everywhere is open. But every time.
No, it's not. Even if the shop everywhere is closed,
But
the car still drive now. Yeah, it's your car now. You know when to take it out of your house. It's your car.
yes.
Anytime you like, you can go out of your house. It's when it's not your car, then you can say, okay, you understand. I mean public shop, transportations. You know, I think today's shops are closed. But let us just go and see. It's IKEA, I tell you. Mother.
IKEA.
It's IKEA, I tell you. Because 10 minutes from here to IKEA.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Laurerstrasse.
You see, come out here, ne?
In 300 meters, not now.
Okay. Normally, Laurerstrasse, that is where we are still going to go today. You understand? The other way I said we're supposed to take front. You understand what I mean?
Take the next left onto
Left.
Laurerstrasse.
Yes.
Left, yes.
This one,
Left, yes.
From here, we even go to.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Laurerstrasse.
Where?
In
Front.
400 meters.
Okay. Just be looking. 400 meters.
180 meters.
Okay, 180 meters. Okay. You even understand the navigator more
Turn left
better
onto
now.
Laurerstrasse.
Which one?
Left.
This one, so
Left. This side.
this side, ne?
Left.
I have not been there. This side.
Yes.
not far again.
Yes. Just follow the road.
Straight down, eh?
Yes.
Which means it's not far from our house, 10 minutes. The weather is sunny today.
Yes, it's very sunny. It's looking like if somebody is in Chicago.
I see. Purity say it's looking like, where are we going to go now?
Wait. Stop here, stop.
I know I need to stop.
Now turn right.
This side?
Yes. Just this right.
This is that
Wait.
I know. Should you go? Go.
What is the wrong problem?
No,
I'm supposed to wait.
yes,
You
because
see, I tell him sorry, not going to
because
listen.
because he was front first.
What if people don't know how to park? We'll still be park inside the road.
Which side are we going to go?
Just be going, just be going. See how you see me there?
Yeah.
There you see
Yeah.
it's IKEA. We almost reached the place, or we even reached the place.
It's not even far from us. I'm just thinking if they are open today or not.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Right.
In 300 meters, turn right. Don't worry. Just now I tell you take it to turn right.
Yeah, no?
Wait first.
Turn right, then turn right.
Turn
Yeah,
right.
no.
Yes. Turn right again. Yes, it's open for people are driving. I see a car and stuff.
Yeah, no? Yeah.
No, wait.
Take the next right, then turn left.
This
Yeah.
is the going out. We go the wrong place. We have to
You
come
like
out.
say,
Turn
We have to
right.
come out. We have to come out.
yeah. Where am I going to come
No,
on?
just
Take the
drive.
next right.
Drive. Drive.
Yeah, I'm driving.
You go right.
Because it's that place I wanted to enter. You say no. Yeah, now we'll go here. I can't
Yes,
go from here. Yeah, ne?
Yes.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Look well for me.
Yes.
Yeah, ne?
Now you can enter and look for it.
Yeah.
Yes, there you can look for a parking space. Oh, not no, that is full even.
We'll look
See,
for
see,
some. Don't worry.
There will
In
be
150 meters, your destination will be on the right.
See even here parking spaces. You see? Somebody's behind us.
And that is why I tell him to. Please.
Softly, softly.
I think I will still go back home. Or let me just go and look for it because it's too close, or that.
Mommy, normally you're supposed to know how to park like this.
I know. But since I don't know, won't I not go? Look,
no.
if I'm going too close to the car.
Then let us go to another place.
I don't want problem. Oh.
Okay, sit there. I'm seeing a lot of parking space. But that price.
Mommy
is-
can go here.
Try it. What are you doing?
I want to enter here now. Here is better. You understand?
Mommy know how to park
Uh-huh.
that car is too much.
It's not easy to park with my people. Look, yeah, we park well already.
Let me look.
Be careful of the this thing.
Park it well.
My people, you need to look before you park off. So guys, we are here in Poco. Sorry, not Chicago. So parking is not easy. Don't rush. Even if wait, let me put take this thing. That thing we used to put park shine. I don't want that to give me traffic.
Okay.
Bring the park shine, Casey. It's your side. Open it. So we are here now. Here is Poco. We are here. Give me. Oh yeah, set the time. Look at it. You look at the time. Use it to.
Okay.
Use it. Wait to turn it. Well.
Okay.
Like this. Are you seeing me? Go far.
Yeah, I can see you.
Eh? Put it. Let me just put it. I don't want because they give me traffic before. Put it.
I can see mommy.
People don't worry. Take your nose one. Don't worry. Me, I want to put it.
Mommy, I need your face. Oh my God, it's so warm. I need that
I hope you are
song.
seeing me. Oh.
Mommy, I can see you, but you need to go over it, or else I can see you.
Don't worry. The video you the cast 5 minutes. Are you sure you are video? Don't forget the floor. Video. Since I'll be on this one. Today is the first time. No, second time I'm coming here. Yeah. I will video the floor. Don't video the floor. Give 30 to do it.
Okay.
I don't want to buy roller shoe. I don't want to buy anything. Yeah, come to this place.
This place we have to go.
This place.
This side, this angle.
Okay. Video. Video the. You okay?
Yeah, it's looking like to where we
It's not even far more.
It's close to my old school.
Really?
Yes, that's going big that time.
Yes, I saw it's close to me.
Yeah, that place is anchor.
I hope we will remember where we park.
You mean high school?
Okay, close to park.
You mean high school?
Park A. We park in park A.
Park A. Park A.
Yeah, let's park. Hi guys. Yes, so we are here now. You want to come and pick your kitchen? Completely. How much? You see, you need it beside the car. I don't have anyone yet. You always like that. Take it. Enjoy it too.
Brauchen Sie Hilfe?
Ja. No, it's time to go from the other. Yeah.
I don't know this place. So.
Are you sure? Are you sure you don't know this?
I was only here once.
Laughing, laughing.
I think it's up.
Let's use the step. So we are here now, guys. We are here. We are here. God. If you want to use the lift, that is where you can use the lift. Oh my. Yes, really nice. We still have Glasgow. See Glasgow. You look for the side where they have kitchen. See, this one is bed. Yeah, they arrange everything. Here is bedroom. Yeah. Here is a sitting room. Sitting room. You know, she just love it like this. Here is another pattern of sitting room. If you like it like this, you can just buy everything. So there is another one, but we are not here for. We are not here. There is dining room, kitchen, and you know. So Purity, say hi.
Hi.
Cassie, say hi. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. What did she do? She's looking for something, eh? Oh, look at the frame. Different kind of frame. If you love to, you want to buy frame, different kind. Stop snapping and don't put the food picture with phone. So where are we going to go to get? I don't know where we are going. So look at my makeup. Cassie, can you look for where we can get the kitchen? Maybe they write it also. Okay, we have to follow it around. There is section of chairs. Yeah. So this section is for chairs, couch, different kind of couch. This teacup is too small. We need a bigger one. There is for glass. I think we are in the
I'll show Papa if we come back.
Go a little bit front. Go a little bit front. Yeah.
Because everything is very beautiful here. I just have to show Papa. Wow.
Leave eye alone. This one is good though.
Yes.
You can use this one to pull my bags, Oda.
Which bags?
All those bags I have back of the door. There's no space. The house is not big. The house is not big. That is the problem. Yeah. Which side are we going to go now? Are we going the right way? Now, should we ask a question from them? Do we have a question? Let us be going here. Just be kitchen.
Kitchen, look.
Yeah, but this one is big kitchen. This one now, something like this would be enough for us. Just from here up to there.
Wow.
Let's still look for another one.
Wow.
Let's still look for another one.
Ja, 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 genau. Ja, ja, genau. Naja,
That one is too big. Like this one now. It will pass our kitchen. Normally we're supposed to measure it, or you know. Oh, as we know you already, me and you will measure it. We'll come back again.
Papa will measure it. I don't have to measure it.
Okay, Papa will measure it. Okay, because we cannot just buy without our measurement. This one, it will pass 100%, or that?
Yes.
So,
We need to space.
really?
There won't be space.
Even laptop is there. Look, look there, they have laptop.
This one will pass our house.
But mommy, then the
see electric.
one.
Not like the other time you understand.
Here, yes, just touch it.
I don't want this one. I don't want this one. It's like the one you break now. I don't want. This one, if anything, just meet it. It will just break. You remember?
Starting our position again.
Eh?
Mommy, there's a laptop.
I don't want. Don't worry. It's not. That one is not a mug. I just need the normal one. This one is for special pots. This one is for special pots.
und 40er. Da wo die Spüle hin muss. Ja? Hol mal den Zettel.
No. You don't want this. This is for
I think they don't have another head apart from this one again. You see it? They are all like this. They don't have another one apart from this. All of them is like this. Now you see it? See? All of them is like this.
This is the new model. You want to have the old model.
Because I'm scared now if we are cutting something so that I will not cut it. But I think we don't have no choice.
This is the new model. Because you don't have to do it here again. You have to just touch it from there. And then you can hide or know it. Yeah.
But mommy needs a special.
They say there are some that you need some special. So special. This one is like you can buy only this thing and buy your gas or two.
25 years guarantee.
This 25 years guarantee will be very expensive. $25 years guarantee. I think we already. I think that is all the kitchen they have. See, they don't have any other one. This one is room
Let's
kitchen.
just go to Poco. It's more better.
We will still go to Poco, but not now.
Maybe they will have the new kitchen.
Yes.
He said how we can go.